Hi guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video, I'll be sharing how I baked this lovely looking cake. This cake was baked with pork, can you believe? So if you don't have an oven, you've been thinking about how to bake a lovely cake like this, my dear, today I'm going to show you the easiest way to bake with your stove, with your gas stove. You can bake your cake. You don't even need an oven to bake a lovely cake. You can see how yummy this cake is looking. So to make sure to watch this video to the end, and feel free to click on the share button. Share this video to your friends and family who love cake to also learn how to bake with their pot. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, don't forget to click the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, click on all notifications to be getting alert of my new video, so that any day I post any new video you will get an alert. To my old subscribers, thank you so much for coming back again. Thank you, I appreciate all your effort, the likes and every and don't forget today, make sure you click like, because if you like my video, another person will be able to see it. I mean, give me some thumbs up. If you give me thumbs up, it will be very easy for others to see my video and watch it. Let's get started. For today's cake, we need 250 grams of margarine. You can use your butter. If you have butter, you can use. I have my 6 eggs. I already cracked it before time. I'll be using sugar, 150 grams of sugar. This is my flour, 250 grams of flour. I have my dark vanilla. I'll be using half tablespoon of vanilla flavor. You can use any flavor of your choice. My baking powder, I'll be using 1 teaspoon of baking powder and my half cup of milk. I'll be using half cup of milk. You can use any evaporated milk is okay, but I'm using 3 cream. Sometimes I use peak milk. So this is the pot I'll be using. Please make sure your pot is big enough, very big than your baking pan, so that you will not be struggling or you not burn your hand when you're trying to bring out the cake. You can see the stones I'll be using. I've already washed them very well. Just flex them. The stone will stand like, well, I call it a stand. It will help to hold your cake pan. You place your cake pan on top of these stones and make sure to lower your stove, your gas or your stove. Make sure to lower it very well. You know how we do it on this channel. I love teaching with my wooden spoon and my bowl, so that if you don't have a standing mixer, you don't have a hand mixer, you can also enjoy cake. You can also know how to bake your own cake. Very easy. I love mixing with my bowl and my wooden stick. Very easy to, just as you're mixing, just be watching. Immediately it's looking pearl. Start mixing other things, is already fine. You can see my butter and sugar is, my margarine and sugar is looking pearl already, so I'll set it aside. Now I have to mix my 1 teaspoon of baking powder to my flour, and you set it aside. Always make sure you sieve your flour. Sieve it very well. It's very important. Now I'll whisk my egg a little and I'll add my vanilla. After mixing in my flavor, I'll set it aside. This time you have to set your pot on a medium heat, very low. When medium is even too much, very low heat, and you set your pot. Now I'm about to on my gas stove. Make sure it's very low. Just lower it very well. You can see, set your pot on it and you allow it to heat. Now it has to preheat before I mix every other thing. I believe my pot will be ready. Now it's time to mix a little of the wet ingredients, a little of the dry ingredients. You take your time and mix till you incorporate everything. If you have not liked my video, it's time. Give me thumbs up now. Click on the thumbs up you're seeing there. Click on the like button and feel free to click on the share button. Copy the link, share to your friends and family that love cake. People that don't even have oven now can now bake. Share the link to them to enjoy the video, at least so that they can bake cake and enjoy with their family and relatives. Feel free to share this video. Feel free to copy the link, post on your status, post on your Facebook wall and all that. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, what are you waiting for? Is it not time to join this lovely family? Click the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Subscription is free. I'm serious. Subscription is free of charge. It's just for you to be getting a lot of my new videos. Like if I post any new video, you will get an alert. Click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, click on all notifications. You can see I have already greased my pan with margarine and I've dusted it with flour. Now I'll pour out my butter. This butter just 250 is looking big. Oh, it's looking big. Okay, tap it a little on your work table and you take it straight to your pot. By now your pot is already hot, so be very careful not to burn your hand. When I was doing this case, seriously, I burned my hand. I have the mark is still with me. I burned my, you can see it is very, very low. Straight to the pot is very hot. When I mean hot, take it easy, put it straight in and you cover. And you cover it pretty well and you allow it. Please check from 25 minutes. Oh, this cake is semi-ready. It's not yet ready. Water to go. Very soon it will be ready. It's looking as if it's ready now. It's finally ready. After 30 minutes, our cake was ready, looking so lovely. Wow. I want somebody to try this. You can join me on my WhatsApp. You can join me on my Telegram. Please try this and show me what you did. I would love to see your own work. I love this cake, looking so beautiful. Very, very easy to prepare. So go and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.